Hey guys, Dwayne from Fire Bros. So what I was going to show you is a quick video of a plug. There's a coolant plug that I had to find. So this motor that I'm talking about, this LS motor that we're doing the upgrade on, it had an external engine oil cooler. It was bolted to the side of the pan. One of the coolant lines came in and clicked into this fitting that's in the side of the block. And I'll show you all that here. You know, it was a pain trying to figure out what the size was of this plug. It's a big plug, and I'll get this camera turned around and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, here we go. GM part number 1256163, and see if that works out for you there. But anyway, it's this plug, 28 millimeter by 1.25 thread pitch. And so if you look at this cooler that I had, that was bolts to the side of the oil pan. Obviously your engine oil goes in and out of there, but it's got these coolant lines that run in and out of it to cool it. And that one clicks into the side of a block, into the side of the block of a fitting. This fitting is right there. It's a big fitting, you know. It's like I said, it's a 28 millimeter, and it's got the 1.25 thread pitch. And trying to find it, I kept ending up with these plugs right here. And finally did a lot more research, talked to the guys at Chevy, figured it out, and then came up with this plug right here. And like I said, it's a 28 millimeter, and it takes this is a Craftsman, a 17 millimeter Allen wrench. That's a big Allen wrench. But that's what it takes to tighten that plug right there. So save you a little bit of problems, save you a little bit of hassle. Got it on the internet. I think it was through, we got an account at Summit, so it's ATEC Motorsports, and that's what we got. So there you go.